How long should I leave the cups parked on the body? As a rule of thumb, I don't leave the cups parked on the body for longer than 5 minutes. Cups parked on the body can increase damage over time. They can result in water blisters, which are just fluid-filled blisters that are a result of the body not liking the suction either being on for too much time or the pressure was too strong. Sometimes if the cups are left on for a longer amount of time, this may start to feel like a rug burn or maybe even start to feel like an itching sensation because histamine is being released throughout the body. If that happens, simply remove the cup and place it on a different area. That area again will be cupped no longer than 5 minutes. I like to place the cup on and then take it off after about a minute to make sure that there's no damage going on underneath that cup. If after a minute there's no damage, I may reapply, but I won't leave that cup on for longer than 5 minutes at the very most. I can take the cup off and slide over just a few inches and reapply the cup in that area and then cup that area for 5 minutes. But the cupping area should only be cupped less than 5 minutes. Again, I can cup the entire back, but I'm going to slide that cup over so as not to overstress or over damage that area that I just cupped.